You know what time it is? Time to start sewing. Added more projects to my project rack to get done, but I'm going to ignore all those because I would like to make a headband. My hairstyle calls for one. Grab your projects. I know you have some. Don't start a new one like me. Finish your old ones and then move on, or do what you want to do, because who am I to tell you what to do? Oh gosh. Haha. The next project I'm gonna work on is this really cute top. I love the sleeves. They kind of remind me of pirates. The front is not really my style, so I'm gonna take off this little loop. I think there's extra fabric there, and see what I can do. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit intimidated with this material. It's like a silk, but it's not a silk because it's fast fashion. It's already missing 2 buttons, and I've only worn it like twice. This is the state that I got it to. I think I'm going to hem it so that it is the same as the back. And then combine the two and maybe add like white buttons down the front. I don't know if I just want to sew it and then add white buttons. So I think I'll just make those hemming changes and then we get to pick out buttons. Oh, there's an extra button. Too bad there's not 5 more. I think it worked pretty good. Now I'm just going to serge this end to make it not so rough. I had to test a theory that I wanted to use the top as layering under things versus being a statement piece. I just think the bodice might go under like corsets or like this top, for example. So putting buttons on it wouldn't really make sense, even though I have picked out some. They're so pretty. I have them picked out if I want to add them later, but I think I'm gonna leave it here. I'm really excited to have another top to layer this season. Yeah. I wish the pants were like white or even pink. Kind of is a vibe. Kind of feel like a jester with the little things. Fun! I accomplished this one. Now I gotta add it to my wardrobe and pick a new project. So I took a little break. I had to get my hair nicer than what it was before. Changed my outfit because why not? And with doing so, I found another project I could work on. I've been wearing this piece of fabric as a scarf for the longest time. And this is what it looks like on. And I just don't love that it just like falls like this. I want it to look like this. I want it with a little triangle in the front. This is much nicer. It was just so much fabric before and just never really falling nice. I love it. Now what else am I going to accomplish? The day is young. There's tons of sunlight left to do. I feel like doing something crazy and going through this closet. The thing is, I want to make pants. And I want to see if I can find fabric in here that will make a suitable pair of pants. I needed this. like a week ago. I found a few options. Basically 3. This is a dress, but I think I'm gonna work it into overalls. So this is not the option. I found this nice stretchy, like spandexy material, and it would go with my outfit, but I think I wanna make it like the pants that I'm wearing. They're kind of got like a flared fit, and I don't want to take my pants off right now to make a pattern, so that's not it. So I think I'm gonna go with the 3rd. It is a curtain. It's nice purple magenta. It's quite large, and I think it will make the perfect pair of pants. Like, look, it kind of stands out with my outfit, but I can see the vision. The pattern I'm going to use is this one. I've already cut it out because I made a pair of shorts from it, but now I want to see what the pants look like. There may be some modifications, but I think it will be all right. Ah, that way. Okay. You are supposed to iron out the creases with the dry iron to make the pattern sit straight. But what is life without a little bit of struggle? Okay, so I have about an hour to finish these pants if I want to wear them out tonight. I'm not going to add pockets because that will add more time, so I'm going to sew the pieces together. Hope for the best. Back, front, front, back. Sew and sew. Pant leg 1. Pair 2. So to put them together, I have my front crotches, and I'm gonna lay it out, and then I'm going to turn the other leg inside out and stuff it down the other pant leg. So it's just one big worm. You match the corners up, match the seams up. See how I pinned the 2 front crotches together? They just matched up perfectly. Now I'm going to just sew along the seam. And voila, you got pants. Yeah, okay. I can work with this. I have my waistband cut out. I'm gonna sew the top together because I like that detailing, and then attach the bottom rough part to the pants. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I swear this is going to be the fastest I have ever threaded a machine. Everything is so hurried. Yeah, close enough. Color of thread to the... Okay, calm down. You got time, you're so close. Oh wow, that threaded so perfectly. Okay, we're on. You know what? I'm just not even gonna pin them. I'm just gonna sew, and it's gonna magically work out. Let's see how fast this can go. I don't think I've ever tested this. We're gonna put on the fastest. Oh my God, that scares me. Oh my gosh. I don't don't even know how you would use that or why you would need to go that fast. I guess when you only have an hour to make a pair of pants. Oh my God. Okay, that's so unnecessary, but we did it. Phase 1 complete. I sewed it into a loop. I connected the ends. Kind of did it wrong, but doesn't matter. So now I'm going to do this. The pants and the waistband together and leave a little space so I can add the elastic. Okay, that's taken me about five minutes. That's taken me about 30 minutes so far to accomplish the pants. Doing pretty good. I magically have an elastic the same measurement as my hip because I had made shorts, but they didn't fit me properly. So I just took the elastic out. Okay, so now I'm going to use a safety pin, thread it through the waistband, let it not twist in doing so. Probably used a too small of waistband for this, but you know what? We're living and we're learning. Thread it through and make sure it's not twisted or it doesn't pull through the other side because you have to attach it. But now I'm gathering. I'm like shaking, adrenaline is coursing through my veins. I need to be attentive. I need to make sure I'm still doing things correctly. These might look really cute or really dumb. Time will tell. Just gonna safety pin this together so that they don't fall apart. And we have pants. They are definitely so big, but I think they have real potential of like a cuff that like cinches in. I definitely need a smaller waistband. It just like is doing this weird like kinchy thing and like does not make my butt look good at all. Right now the pants are wearing me, but I don't have enough time to cuff them or like do anything to them. So this is where they're at. I don't think I'm gonna wear them out tonight. I gave them a real good shot, but now I've kind of unlocked pants and I know that I can only make that pattern smaller. So I consider it a win. Thanks for kicking it with me. Yeah.